Injured, wounded and sick service personnel have been taking to the skies and the track at Thruxton in Wiltshire, thanks to two Forces charities. Flying for Freedom and Mission Motorsport may use different technology, but they achieve similar aims to help the sick and injured move their lives forward. Mission Motorsport has for several years now been a driving force to help the recovery and rehabilitation of service personnel by providing opportunities to enjoy the thrill of motorsport at track days like this, and it can be the start of their future. In the past 2 years alone, more than 50 wounded, injured and sick personnel have found jobs in the motor industry thanks to their training and vocational programmes.
UK automotive industry, over £80 billion of turnover a year, in huge growth, being incredibly successful. And the likes of the Defender Challenge car behind me, sponsored by the Royal Foundation and also by Jaguar Land Rover themselves, is a great vehicle, if you excuse the phrase, for connecting people with the job opportunities that lie within some great British companies. A bit of our bread and butter, so a lovely day on track here at Thruxton. We're also using the off-road course here today, so you've got a load of beneficiaries who are guys wounded, injured or sick, and their families who've come along in order to experience a bit of adrenaline, whether that's up in the air or out on the circuit.
For one, Lionel OConnor, who lost a leg in an IED attack in Iraq 10 years ago, being able to learn new skills and pass them on has been a great experience.
I stayed at home for a long time. I used to do bits and pieces of mental training and other activities. But then once I got into the mission thing, it's helped me out a lot, because now I'm in a position where I'm helping other people, and for me it's a feel-good factor. You see people come in and I can relate to how they feel, and then seeing them progress themselves that's what it's all about for me.
Meanwhile, in the skies over Thruxton, Flying for Freedom, which, like Mission Motorsport, is supported by Help for Heroes and the Endeavour Fund, a project led by the Royal Foundation, set up by the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge and Prince Harry, is taking servicemen and women for flights in these microlight aircraft. The team are currently flying around the country, stopping at airfields closest to the main rehab centres to give personnel taster flights. And with Mission Motorsport, since they started 4 years ago, they've changed people's lives and helped some become pilots, the men and women doing the flying today.
The guys who are now piloting out the aircraft are guys that we recruited 4 years ago as complete novices, never flown. We've taught them to fly. And last year they went and did a round Britain trip, 9 days, 2,000 miles, which is quite an achievement. Not many able-bodied pilots ever achieve that, so to do that so quickly, really, in flying experience terms, was a great achievement. And we thought this year what we'd do is make it slightly different, and we would take that opportunity to fly to all the recovery centres around the UK. So that's what we're doing. We're going to airfields as close as we can to the recovery centres, and getting guys around those areas who have been injured to come and fly with their or being flown by their comrades.
Although both organisations are very different in their approach, the aims are very much the same, as both have had huge success in unlocking the potential many of those rebuilding their lives never knew they had. Whether it's in the skies or on the track, these two charities are doing a huge amount to help injured and wounded servicemen put their lives back together.